What's up, guys? It's me, Gmail. So the question is that, let me read the question. Should I go for a postgraduate diploma in mechanical design engineering? Why you wanna get into a worthless field, which no one care, which no one is going to give you a job? Mechanical engineer, I love it, the bottom of my heart. I was born as a mechanical engineer, but no one care. We are in a 21st century. The industrial revolution is over. Please stop wasting your time unless you are in some kind of African developing countries where still there's some demand. Other than that, do not waste your time. Let me read your question. Sir, can you please tell me, should I go for a PG diploma in petroleum or aerospace? If you want a job security, if you want to have a lot of money, if you want to become rich, if you want to have a good comfortable life, do not bother with mechanical, do not bother with aerospace. Okay, just go with the petroleum engineering. I mean, to be honest with you, yeah, just go with the go with the petroleum engineering. To be honest with that, I can easily recommend. That will be my advice. Yeah, I'm just typing the question. Yeah, here. So yeah, petroleum engineering. Go with the petroleum engineering. That will be my advice. It was me, Gmail. If you have any more questions, check out the links in the description box. Bye bye.